I guess the next thing to do is add a switch. Let's jump into Revit. To make sure we're all in the same view, in the project browser, let's go to Electrical, Lighting, Ceiling Plans, and let's double-click on Level 1. Let's zoom over to where we placed our lights. To add a switch, let's go to the Systems tab. On the Electrical panel, let's click the drop-down underneath the device icon. Let's come down to Lighting. Again, we can place it on vertical face, 3D face, or a work plane. Vertical face is appropriate. In our Type Selector drop-down, let's see what we've got. We have lighting switches, circuit breaker, dimmer, door, four-way. There's a bunch of them. Since we're right next to a door, let's click Door. Notice our switch voltage is 120 volts. Now, I'm going to hover over this wall, and it looks as though our detail level is set to fine. We don't want that. So on our View Control toolbar, let's make sure that our detail level is set for either medium or I'm going to choose coarse. Now when we hover over our door, we'll see that we've got our switch and we can add it. So I'm going to add one right here. I'm going to find another entry. I'll add one right here next to the wall. This is kind of funky, but I'm going to add one right here next to this opening. Notice that sometimes it wants to flip it around, so let's just make sure that we're in the correct orientation. Hit escape a couple times. There we go. It's not too hard to do, right? That's how you add a switch.